Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Happy new year. Let's have fun. And the most important, let's get loud. It's simple as that. I know everybody is saying that, it's still the beginning, they're taking it slowly, because I know from my students, I know from other clients, it's always difficult when the beginning of the year, because we were on holidays and then we're going back to business. Now, in today's video, I have a couple of tips on how to edit and remove and unpublish your website, your pages, into your WordPress. So it's simple as that, because you can do it different things. You can go to the website, to the particular page you want to then edit or remove, or you can go to your main dashboard, go to pages, and then I will show you a couple of ways on what to change or what to remove. Let's say, for example, I want to edit this. I can go here, edit, or if I want to, I can click it, trash it, delete the page. And if I do want to publish the pages for particular pages, what I can do is I can actually tick them and then go here, go to bulk action, and then we'll go edit, and then we click apply. So when you do that, then you can have it on a separate folder, and then you can make your changes in there. And you can have them published or unpublished straight away. So you can have, you see here, I have the published, and then I have a draft, and all the rest of, pages that I have on my website. So this is the second way, and the most important, I can say. Don't forget to go to bulk action, and anything to do, click apply, including if you want to edit. So you go straight here to the pages and then do it. So it's not really gonna give you a lot of hassle, or if you go to the main page, you know what I mean. So you need to go and play with it, guys, because you need to learn a couple of other extra tips for WordPress. Tech is changing. If you need more help with tech skills, you can go and watch all my WordPress videos. I have a lot of tips in there, because you need to know how to maintain and develop your website. If you want small things, small changes, without having someone to do it for you. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can use somebody for more difficult, maybe tech issues, and then small things you can do yourself. You can learn different ways to do it, because sometimes when the websites are running, websites updating, or there's a lot of things going on, so for you it's easier to come here and do the pages thing. So that's it for me today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's have a great year. Stay safe and have fun.